Intelligent Automation, we offer a number of services, and some of the most important ones are in development and maintenance. So this is in building automations around RPA or around intelligent document processing. So it's truly getting in and building the code and standing up the technology to make it work. So it's implementation services, but hand in hand with that are maintenance services. So once you've stood it up and it's working, you need someone to maintain it at scale and at the right price. Otherwise, you start losing the benefits of the technology and its business case that you've formed. So you need to set those two things up from the beginning. Another service that we offer is around coaching COE strategy. So sometimes you need that one step before you start your intelligent automation journey. And this is where you do some half-day workshops, maybe a one-week assessment. It's on the consulting side, but it's often effective if you just don't know how to begin, or you need more buy-in, or you need more internal marketing for your organization. You just need to learn a little bit more. You need to coach a few more people. You need a little more industry perspective. These are found in very short project-based consulting engagements. An amazing thing about SystemSoft is how easy we are to work with. We have all types of contracting vehicles. We're very flexible of how we set up the commercial terms, or how we work with you to make sure that you're getting what you need and the timing you need. I love this about this company is the entrepreneurial spirit of, well, what works best for you, customer, so we can make sure you're getting the benefits from day one for this type of technology or any of the services we provide. If you'd like to learn more about the intelligent automation offerings or just have questions about the industry and technologies or what to do next, you can either email me at thomas.helfrich@sstech.us or just go to the website, sstech.us, and fill out the contact form. We do a number of LinkedIn live events, webinars, so LinkedIn's another platform as well. It's very easy to get a hold of us. I'm Thomas Helfrich, Vice President of Intelligent Automation. We are SystemSoft Technologies.